Okay, this question is from control system. It says that consider the unity feedback control system as shown. Okay, the value of K that results in a phase margin of the system to be 30 degree is. That means they have given a system. The system is something like that. They have given an input here US. Okay, there is a summer point here, and then this is e to the power minus s by s, and then there is a negative unity feedback, and this is my output. Now they are saying that the phase margin of the system is given to be 30 degree. The phase margin is given as 30 degree. This is given. So they are asking what is the value of K for this particular condition. Okay. So what we can do is we can find out the expression for the phase margin and then equate with this value, and then we'll get the value of K. Okay. So first of all, let us write this expression as sinusoidal transfer function. Okay, so I can say GH j omega sinusoidal transfer function. I can write this as K e to the power minus j omega by j omega. Okay, now for phase margin, I know we have to find out. Okay, the for phase margin, I know we need the magnitude at the phase. The gain crossover frequency. That means when my gain is 1. Okay, when my gain is 1. That means, or in other words, the magnitude will be 1. So I can say the GH is equal to 1. That means K, magnitude of e to the power minus j omega is always 1, we know, and the magnitude of this j omega is nothing but omega. Okay. So this is the magnitude and this is 1. So from here we can say that K is equal to omega. So this omega is nothing but the gain crossover frequency. And the value of this gain crossover frequency is nothing but K. Now that they are saying that at this frequency my phase margin is 30 degree. So what is the phase margin expression? Phase margin is angle of, or 180 degree plus angle of this transfer function GSHS or GJ omega at omega is equal to gain crossover frequency. Okay. Now what we can do is we can find out the angle of GH from this expression. Okay, you can rub this. Angle of GH is nothing but, for this J, 1 minus 90 degree will come, and this particular thing will give an angle of minus omega. Now at omega is equal to omega gain crossover frequency, which is nothing but K, is equal to K, this will become minus 90 degree minus K. Okay. Now this is 30 degree, this is 180 degree, and this is minus 90 minus K. From here we can see that K will be 60 degrees. Okay, but we need this value in radians. Okay, since this is omega, omega is in radians, so this omega we have to multiply by pi by 180. So it becomes pi by 3. So K value is nothing but pi by 3. and that value is 1.047. So this is my answer. Okay.